what's going on? It's your girl Missnaturalshay, and today I have for you an unboxing of the Marc Jacobs the Tote bag. Now listen, I haven't ever bought a Marc Jacobs bag, period. So this is so exciting to me because I have been seeing this bag all over the place. And I also want the leather bag, but I ended up getting the cloth bag to start off to see how I like that. And I'm sure I'm going to love it. But I wanted to share with you guys. I'm just so excited, y'all. It came in this box. And on the other side is my information. And I do like that when they shipped it out, they do not put on there that it's from Marc Jacobs. That's really what I really like. I don't have to worry about somebody stealing it. You never know, because people be looking for designer boxes, okay? So anywho, we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing and my first impression of what I think about this bag. And if y'all want to see what's in my bag, y'all let me know. Yeah, guys, so let's see what's up in this thing. If y'all have your tote, whether it's the leather or the cloth, y'all let me know down in the comment section below. This was a why not gift to myself, okay? I've been working hard behind the scenes, and every now and then I like to treat myself. Now, when I buy, you know, items like perfume and body care items, those are a must for me. This is not a must. This is just a want. And of course, I love smelling good and all that great stuff. And plus, I love doing content for you guys, letting y'all know what I bought as far as the body care world, because we like to smell good over here. Let's see what your girl got. I hope this is enough cutting up because I'm tired. I'm tired. Ah! Okay, hold on. Let me flip this because I'm so excited. It's crazy that I'm excited for this. Oh my gosh. Look at the packaging. And it's so pretty. OMG. This is my receipt. I got the tote bag in the small size. They have it in the mini, the small, the regular size, which is like a large bag. And then I think they have it in an extra large. But I got the small because I'm like, that should be big enough for me. So I got to return some sticker as well, just in case if I'm not satisfied with this and I want to return it. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, y'all. So excited. We're going to jump right into this thing. So cute. I love that color. I might have to get that kind of color bag. OMG, baby. So let's use our handy dandy scissors to cut this bad boy open. Ooh, okay, and the tissue paper. The tissue paper. It's the tissue paper for me, baby. OMG. And here's the tag. I think it's so cute for the packaging. This is a really cute bag. I'm already excited. And I already know I need a lint roller because some people have already talked about it. You know, that lint sticks to it. I mean, it's black. What do you expect? This thing is cute, baby. Okay. So the zipper is a plastic, hard plastic zipper. You just unzip it. And then, of course, it has this, which is your strap. And it's a heavy-duty strap. We're going to just cut this thing. Because I love things that excite me. Bags. I love a bag. I'm a bag girl. I've always been a bag girl. A bag girl, baby. Not a bag girl. A bag girl. Okay. Yes. Look at the hardware on that bad boy. It's silver hardware. I'm not a silver person, but silver is cool. It's growing on me. I love me some gold. Let me drink because I'm tired. Listen, this is my 4th video. This is my 4th video, y'all, that I've completed today. I'm trying to get on a good foot, okay? So y'all give me a big thumbs up. All right. So y'all already know. They keep one of these in here. I never knew really what it was for, but it's for the moisture, to keep the moisture out. I like how this tote is. It's structured very well. Got more tissue paper in there. It has this on the side to take off so you can clip your strap on it, and it has one on each side. And on the inside, it has a flap, and of course, it says the Marc Jacobs. A place where you can zip. Oh, what's in here? I don't know, but I'm gonna check it out. Then on the inside, it's lined, if you can see. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Okay, yeah, right here. And on each side, it's lined with Marc Jacobs going down. Now let's hook this thing. And the hook, it swivels, so it don't matter, you know, which side you hook it on. Ooh, I can't wait to use this bag. Baby is cute to me. And of course, when I zip it up, you just put it right here on the outside. So it goes like that. This bag is cute. Okay. I can't wait to use her. And of course, you know what I'm saying? You can adjust it. It's adjustable and all that great stuff. And it's just a cute, sturdy, nice bag. And on the back, it just says Marc Jacobs style, the tote bag, location NYC, year 1984, baby. That's when I was born, baby, 1984. Okay, Marc Jacobs. Y'all know I'm silly. I will be doing a what's in my bag because I will be styling this thing up. So please stay tuned for that video coming up sometime soon. And yes, y'all, if y'all like this type of video, please give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know you like, of course, you like these types of videos. And also make sure that you are subscribed, have your notification bell turned on. And you already know, make sure that you chit chat down below if you already got you a tote bag. And I do want the leather bag, the leather tote bag. I don't know if I want this color, but I do want a leather tote bag. So that'll be another purchase later on down the road. Okay, sis. But yes, this is very well structured. I love the handles. This is a canvas type material. It's very thick and sturdy. And I can't wait to use this thing so I can, you know, keep the shape of it because it's a really nice shape. And I'm sure it will hold my laptop if I need to put it in here. My MacBook as well, my MacBook Air. So yes, as you can tell, this is smaller than the bag and it's gonna fit. And also, you know, notebooks and stuff that I like to keep in my bags. You guys will see a what's in my bag very, very soon featuring this tote bag. Yes, ma'am. So yeah, guys, I love you guys for watching, and you already know what time it is. It's time for me to say my goodbyes, and I will catch you guys in my next video. I love you.